Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to disassembly the Lenovo Tab 4. With the disassembly we're gonna change the SIM card tray, but also you can remove the battery or the motherboard or the other parts that you have damaged in your device. So first of all, you need to get the plastic tool to open the back cover. On the back of your device, you should put the plastic tool around the old frame here and hear the characteristically sound of cracking it, and remove the back cover. As you see, we have plenty of the place which wanna have to open. After that, you need to unscrew all the screw from this aluminum cover. It's gonna be fit like that. Yeah, like that. Here you're gonna have few screw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 screw. Get it out, and we're gonna see the speaker, our SIM card tray, the battery, and all the motherboard. For now, we're gonna change the SIM tray here for the new, and for this we need to unscrew last of the screw on the frame here. The silver screw is on the right and left side, and the corner and the upside down is the black one. This is the different screw, so place it on the not the same place. As you see, there is plenty of screw. Okay, that's all, I think. I didn't see any more of the screw. Remove this yellow tape here. And now let's try to disassemble the cover, plastic cover here. I'm trying this. Okay, we are in, and it's simply to change many of parts of your tablet. For example, we can change the speaker as you see it here. If it doesn't have a sound or there's some problem, you can change the camera here on the flex. You can change the speaker, front speaker here. And for now we're gonna be change the SIM card tray. We're gonna unglue this part from here. Okay. The original glue is here. As you see, there is a part of the old SIM card tray. Okay, install the new one here. Plug it in. The new SIM card is in here. If you wanna assemble the new battery, place it here. There's a button on the back, and the motherboard is gonna here, but before you do that you should unscrew this screw and open and change it for the new one. Also you have here the speaker too, right here. This is antenna connector, and the LCD if you have the new one. So for now we're gonna assembly all the parts here. Let's start on the app. You hear the characteristic sound. No. You're gonna get placed here with the rubber. Yes, if you hear the click, characteristic click, you do this good. And now let's start on the black screws here. There's on magnetic side, so we're gonna place it on the right hole, every single screw here. Okay, and the silver one go here. There is a plenty of the screw here. plenty of screw. Okay, now use the screwdriver to okay, and now install the aluminum part here. With the silver screw over here.